What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are actually checking out something brand new from Anker. This is the Anker Nano Charging Station 7-in-1 100-watt desktop charger that just dropped about 2 weeks ago. So what makes this different? Well, it's got 3 USB ports, 1 USB-A, 3 full-size AC outlets, 2 built-in retractable cables, and a real-time LCD display, all in one compact size. This is designed to clean up your desk, power your entire setup, and replace a whole mass of adapters and cables. So let's get into unboxing, let's break down the specs, and let's see what this is all about. So inside the box, you get the Anker Nano Charging Station itself, a user guide, and the Anker standard 18-month warranty card. Charging station feels premium right out of the box. You've got 2 retractable InstaCord USB-C cables neatly built into the sides. These are 2.3 feet long, and they use the magnetic snapback design and retract smoothly with gentle pull. It's compact, sleek, and has a glossy front display showing real-time charging stats like watts, temperature, and available power. So the size is 4.76 inches by 2.86 inches and by 2.09 inches in thickness. Weight comes in at about 615 grams. Total output of power is 100 watts max via USB-C. The AC power rating is 1000 watts, 125 volts at 10 amps. The USB-C port supports up to 100 watts individually, and distributes smartly across all ports when multiple devices are plugged in. You can fast charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro, the M3 version, to 50% in about 35 minutes using a single USB port. The screen display lets you see real-time output per device, and Anker included a surge protection and thermal regulation to keep things cool and safe. So let's get into some final thoughts. So this is a seriously smart upgrade for any desk setup. Again, Anker nailed the design here. It's functional, minimal, and it does the job of multiple devices all in a compact block. I mean, you gotta admit the built-in cables are super convenient. The AC ports on the back is pretty much a game changer. Everything about this block is just convenient. And this display is always addicting to watch. So if you want a clean, all-in-one solution for your desk, nightstand, this is highly recommended. I'm going to drop a link below, and if you got any questions about the Nano or want to see a head-to-head comparison to the Anker Prime, just let me know in the comments. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and take care, guys.